Introducing the Scudo Lunar matte black square rigid riser mixer shower, available here at Bella Bathrooms. With its sleek and sophisticated design, this shower will upgrade your bathroom to new heights. The high-quality matte black finish adds a touch of luxury, while the ultra-thin solid metal fixed shower head provides a truly indulgent showering experience. No more worries about limescale buildup. The easy clean rubber nozzles on the main shower head and handset make maintenance a breeze. With a telescopic riser rail, you can adjust the height to suit your preference even after installation. Safety is our top priority. The thermostatic feature ensures that you'll never experience spikes in hot water again, giving you peace of mind while you enjoy your shower. The adjustable handset holder adds convenience, allowing you to find the perfect angle for your comfort. Embrace the modern square shape and add a touch of elegance to your bathroom decor. Discover this and the rest of the Scudo shower ranges at bellabathrooms.co.uk.